on the commercial scale yet, except maybe for the cryptocurrency. But we just want to, kind of, it's a very general approach. This is something for us just to get our, ask other people, I would say, and see their perspectives.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that helps.
Anything? Yeah. Go ahead, Greg.
I will say that I don't know what kind of coding and marking what technologies you have, and maybe you can tell me that. Is it concentrated on laser, inkjet, thermal transfer?
We've got a little bit of everything, I would say, to a certain extent.
Okay. Well, that I think that's fairly typical as well. And if you're looking at customers that are asking for serialization, there's advantages and disadvantages for each type of coding that you might want to capitalize on, as you try to promote or sell a solution to a customer, where if they are printing 2D, two-dimensional codes on a carton or a vial label or bottle label, or some kind of printed cardboard component, then you would want to promote that your laser solutions are incredibly accurate, incredibly repeatable, almost no maintenance, very reliable, and absolutely, in my opinion, the best solution for that kind of marking for 2Ds, for example, to be read reliably by a vision camera supporting serialization. So that might be one point you would promote if you're looking at
how
print.
important is the print quality?
I would say very.
I understand in the pharma space.
But go ahead and finish your question.
Greg, I think there is a delay, so just go ahead and keep answering. I think there is a delay in me asking the questions and you replying. So I'll let you finish first.
Okay, no, not a problem. It's typical of these cell phones. So tell me again. I'm sorry. Tell me again what you're looking for.
My question was how critical the print quality is for the application. Okay. I generally understand that the camera should read the code consistently and accurately. I understand that piece. What I'm trying to understand is it, because there are so many players in the printing and coding market. I mean, there are dozens of companies who do it, I would say, quite well. And the question is, if there is an application in the pharma or in the food and beverage, how critical is it to have, maybe more expensive version of the printing and coding equipment, or shall I go with the lower end solution? And because laser is laser, at the end of the day, if it's a laser mark, right?
Right. I would say it's quite important for several reasons. If you put in a system that is trying to serialize your production, it needs to be able to print so consistently that you're not always touching it, you're not always maintaining it, cleaning it, resetting it up, moving it, because the print location keeps moving and wandering on a very small carton, for example. You're not constantly retraining your vision because the print tends to get skewed or changed based on handling of the unit. So I think it's very, very important. And even when you're talking about marking coding on labels, that tends to be different as well, where there are thermal transfer or ink solutions that do extremely well on labels. And that is used when applying, for example, a serialized label for China for the e-coding system. And that's where you would get a very repeatable hands-off solution and the customer never touches it. Super important because they're already